Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to make simple signature using the leftovers from previous project. In last my tutorial I made this mini album and I had some scraps left. Now I want to make two signatures and add them to the album. I have enough space for that. I'm going to use leftovers from Spring in the Air 8x8 collection pack, leftovers from the sheets from Spring is in the Air 12x12 patterns and solids pack. Maybe I will use Spring is in the Air Ribbons transfer set and other leftovers. I choose 4x6 inches as the size for my signature, and first I'm going to sort through the paper scraps by size. At first I picked two 4x8 inch pieces and made score lines in the center. These pieces are my covers for the signatures. Then I gathered some matching scraps. These are the ones I found and this is how I use them. I just trimmed a few of them to make sure the height is 6 inches. Next, I arrange the paper in the order I want them to appear inside the signature, and I added a scoring line. Here what I've got. And now I have a green signature and blue-pink one with light blue and navy tones. Now it's time to bind my signatures. I'm going to sew them, but you can also use a stapler if that's easier. I'll be using my binding tool from We Are Memory Keepers, but if you don't have one, no problem. You can simply punch a few holes and stitch your signature together using a needle and thread. It's cicada season here in Thailand, so if you hear a weird buzzing sound in the background, that's them. Okay, and now I'm going to sew my signatures. I will use this needle and some thread. I start from the center. Go up first and then down and finish back in the center. So now I have two finished signatures. The first one and the second one. Technically, I could already start adding them into the album, but I'd like to decorate them a bit more using leftover scraps from this collection. I also plan to use, as I mentioned before, some ribbons and chipboard elements. The signature is completely finished. Now here's how I'm going to attach it to the album. I'll punch two holes right here, add eyelets, and use an elastic band to hold the signature in place on this spread. I'll do exactly the same thing with the second signature and attach it to this spread right here. So, both of my signatures are done. Here is how they turn out. The one and second one. Now I not only have extra space in my album for photos and journaling, but I've also used up quite a lot of leftover papers. You can use signatures like this in albums, journals, travel books, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.